I'm a gangster. I'm a gangster. I'm a gangster. This is a virus. Yeah, before the lights and the cameras, knives and the hammers. It's all been throwing bullets like Montana. Been had the ceremony mastered. Been had a pen game that burn like acid. Hot and make a gangster think drastic. Stop the blast from my ratchet. Come with caskets. The livest. If it don't make sense, how I make dollars. Trust me, bark got bite just like piranhas. My dog's riders. Fingers numb from bagging up like I got arthritis. I'm a gangster. This is a virus. I hit stage, each state call me IHOP. How I flip cakes, then I switch face, brace the waves. Shit stressful, had me blowing haze some days. Never regretful, I bounce back. Reasonable doubt that. Don't change your bets, I ain't aiming yet.
We got questions, we got answers. We does this here. Ain't nothing new to me.
He's so amazing.
I've been in this game for years.
We got questions, we got answers. We does this here. Ain't nothing new to me.
He's so amazing.
I'm a gangster, this is a virus. I've been getting fresh since fresh been out. Supplied X before DMX been out. Projects knew my gangster style, no wankster. Knew in 95 Georgetown had the answer. Knew I'd be a track master. Knew I'd be in that 7 to mash past ya. This I knew. Then I banged to the death for this my crew, and we celebrate millions like this. Salute. Know I'm a Grey Goose murderer, wifey burglarer, faithful gun purchaser. Shake down boss, chart topper. Homie, I take down yours, I'm a heart stopper. See, I does this and y'all just do it. Got bricks up and down the conduit. I'll show you how a conduit. Smooth criminal, guzzle that Dom fluid. Don't change your bets, I ain't aiming yet.
We got questions, we got answers. We does this here. Ain't nothing new to me.
He's so amazing.
I've been in this game for years.
We got questions, we got answers. We does this here. Ain't nothing new to me.
He's so amazing.
I'm a gangster, this is a virus. Now if I ain't monitoring my dog's pitching the cess, I'm with a bitch that throw it back like Mitchell and Ness. I makes more money, no tax, than you little rap niggas make on wax. That's known facts. Always said by Clark Kent I was one of the greats, running the race while these other rappers running in place. I bring it direct though, with finesse though. Some say I got big in my blood, it's retro. See, my style Brooklyn made. Also, you can find a cooker somewhere by my torso. I apply pressure to these streets, the coke processor. Apply similar pressure to these beats. Look, when niggas hate, it's like a battery in my back. It's like assault and battery when I rap still. I'm the objection to the salary cap. Nigga, don't change your bets, I ain't aiming yet.
We got questions.